52. Are you doing it again? Are you multitasking right now? Because in our fast-paced society, we rarely slow down enough to give anything our undivided attention anymore. And this rolls over into our relationship with God. You see, we enter into prayer, and before we can say thank you to God for what he's already done, we're reading off our next list of prayer requests. We're asking God for the next thing. Unaware, we're often standing in the middle of a miracle, asking God, when will he perform his next one? You see, men that are alive and breathing today will fear a death that has not yet come because they're unaware of the current miracle they're standing in. If you're breathing today, understand that 170,000 people will die today. That means God has given you a beautiful gift of life today, a miracle. Have you stopped to acknowledge it? Have you stopped to say thank you? Or are you focused on the worries of tomorrow? For Matthew chapter 6 tells us, focus on today because tomorrow has enough worries of its own. So group 52, I ask you, when last have you slowed down to reflect, to think about, to say thank you for what the Lord has already done for you, what he's already brought you through, saved you from, the miracles you're quite possibly already standing in. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.